Makhosini vokokora bomkhulu ngiyanamukela ku-channel yami nisahleli nesisalukazi seni intombi endala ugogo Patricia. So hey yey lo mbuzo omuhle guys, ay kumahliphi ka spirituality abangaboniswa bayafisa ukuboniswa, ababoniswayo abafuni kunje kuyaphambana. Now ngumuntu kuma comment section uthi hayi gogo mina nginombuzo watshelwa yena ukuthi ayoshaya igobongo noma ukhamba ayolishayela emfuleni for whichever days. I'll put the comment here for then ngelanga lokugcina ahambe angalishayela emfuleni, so fanele agabha yenzeni. Child, you are even given instructions ukuthi igobongo lisebenza kanjani. Hayi then uthi yena ephusheni yabatshela ukuthi angifuni ningitsheleni mangifuna ngithwale. Akunasithwalo lana. Igobongo ukudla kwabantu abadala. Like igobongo kunamagobongo wemimoya, kunamagobongo wesithunya, namagobongo womdiki nomdawo. Guys, igobongo ukuphakamisa noma ukudlisa abantu abadala ukudla kwabo ukuthi baphakame bakhulume, especially if also your things are not clear, then you want them to speak. Uyalidla igobongo ukuthi bakwazi ukukhuluma kuwena. Then uthi bayakuthwalisa, maybe bebakubukile bathi bheka lengane ithi thina siyathwala. Wena bebakwatile bathi uthi thina siyathwala thina. Hey waze wathuka idlozi lakho. I can imagine after that impilo yakho injani. I can imagine. But bayabona shemnabo ukuthi awu ngoshe akazi unana. I can imagine khona uthi awu kodwa akazi. Khona lesalukazi athi umzukulu wami ngeke ningamshaya akazi biyekeleni. Khona lekhehle lithi yabona lengane yenu, yabona ngintshela ngizomshaya lo ngizomshaya noma ngimthatha azohlala nathi lana azobona kunjani. I can imagine. But no gogo akusi gogo or umkhulu I didn't see ukuthi bano commentile, but no akusi sithwalo. And uzuyasho ukuthi unenkinga wena yokuthi mawunikezwa umlayezo noma utshelwa ephushweni uyanqaba ngoba usuke wanikezwa futhi ijazi. Wanqaba wena ephupheni. So basically you can say with your mouth ukuthi I mean I believe in ancestors, ngiyalivuma idlozi noma isipho sami ngiyasivuma, kodwa emaphushweni it's a clear reflection and indication of wena vele awufuni. Because if we avuma in real life like ngokweqiniso nasephushweni it should reflect that fanele uvume. If uyigwala uzoba igwala nasephushweni, so ipusho also shows you ukuthi wena ubani. So I think you should go back emntanethonga, khulume nabo bahle babikele ukuthi hayi ngendelelo wawungazi uyaxolisa uyenze lento bathi uyenze. So for them to see that you are listening, you must do it. Don't say it ngomlomo, because now mawisho ngomlomo they won't come back and say okay hamba uyodla igobongo. No, already they told you go idla igobongo, and you listening to them will be you now idla igobongo. And then now it will be worse because you listened to my video, right? Surely they made you to listen to my video so that you can see, go to know there's nothing wrong. You ask a question, I answer you again. If you still not gonna do it, manje akusase ukuthi ubungazi, manje sewukuthi usuyasidelela, manje sekukuthi manje sozoqondana nami, hayi mina abantu bakini abadlozi bakini. But anyway, thank you so much. Emakhosini lesedi khanya qamako ndawe.